Action. So number 3 on top.
He's like, I don't know what he's thinking about.
Number 3 on top. Do it. Not 2.
He's my stylist, you know.
Let's do it. 1, 2. You want it?
I look like a samurai, you know? Like with the cut.
I agree.
They usually have hairstyle like this.
I'm gonna go to my car and
Do you want to try the high skin fade? It's better with the number 3. Do you want to try high skin fade? It's better with number 3 than mid fade.
High skin fade,
Yeah.
number 3?
Yeah, because the top is number 3, so it's like short. So the high skin fade is better than mid fade.
Yeah, okay.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. So you are the boss today.
Yeah. So now you already have a girlfriend and say, brother, follow my tips and you're gonna have girlfriend too. So I
We'll see. We will see. So I'll start with the 0 fade.
You reckon the reason you don't have a girlfriend is because of the haircut?
Yeah.
That's this. The boy's gonna make you have a girlfriend now.
Okay.
That's it. Basket always.
Magic money, man.
Yeah.
Basket always fix the issues.
Yeah.
My haircut is different. I make them get married.
Maybe he doesn't want to get married straight away. He wants
That's
to.
what I said. First, Bob, let him have a girlfriend, then sit with me, and I make him get married.
Yeah.
Hi. Now I use the shaver for Super Zero. Now I'm using my trimmer. Back to my clipper, lever open. Closing my clipper halfway.
always on Monday, right? Yeah, Monday. Monday's tomorrow. Oh, so tonight, Friday, Tuesday. Okay, alright. Every Monday, every Monday morning.
Got 1.5 lever open.
It's like, it's not maybe work. It's my one day.
Got 1 lever open.
I think I would really enjoy it at that time. That's why.
Got 0.5 lever open.
What do you use? Before, like I said, I'm learning, but now I'm like 15 last year. I've been playing the year before. Yeah, I mean, I found it, it's, to me, I think the complex of thought is still similar. When you play things, but I don't know if because you really want to keep passing, but with some people, I'm more, I think it's very similar, more about that.
Box or natural or the front? You want to do box or natural?
You want box? Yeah, I think box.
Box it? Yeah, okay.
I want it to be, I don't know, I think, I feel like it's first or the second time when you come here, I feel like I just think for a little bit. Yeah. I'll have to say, so, the dog, always up to yeah. But we can always, that's the thing, that's why I asked the farmer. So yeah, I think that's it, a little. Yeah, a lot of stuff, that's going to go back to it. Yeah. I really missed that. I thought, I feel like it was like, second or third time I came around. I didn't know if I could buy it. I was like, thinking out that man, just want to take out. But afterwards, I was like, oh my God. But I didn't take it. No, it was definitely like that. I think we should say we got a hundred. Always that's the one for
You're sitting here from this side, so I don't want to go too high to fix it, because otherwise if I go high to fix it to make it very straight, it's going to be like, it's going to be like too much.
You have
Yeah. So I line it up and I kept it as natural as I can, you know what I mean?
Like, I don't know, it was like on this side, it was like very short. Yeah, it was on this side, it was. Yeah.
Whee! Good? Where's your thumbs up? Show it. Yes!